I've been a teacher 20 years. Every time I will show the masterpiece to talk to students, the masterpiece, which one, where is do the best, where is do not so good. I will to judge, to criticize the masterpiece again and again and 20 years. And one day I feel I know all the rules. So I to think some, if you are a teacher for teach painting, you can use my skill to judge, to criticize this masterpiece with your teacher, and your teacher will maybe some different opinion and talk, and the same masterpiece, and I talked about the masterpiece several times, and I always will find new interesting. So this so long years, so I know some rules because I talk about so many masterpieces. So, and I one day I do some, I think about some interesting for students. Maybe students can use this interesting practice, then will very easy to know. You don't need to discuss so many. It's just one painting and do this, you will know everything. Let me show you. So balanced. Everything balanced. Diagonal, different size. You see, different 3 value. 1, 2, 3. Dark, gray, bright. Different size, right? Diagonal, right? And king and prince. Maybe now this needs some more detail here. So if you circle here, that means you have to do some more detail in this place. And this is second. Okay, done, well done. If you do the practice more and more, then your eyes to see every subject easy to become. You have to do the practice. It's very good for you. If you think, okay, can I to paint outside and I will learn this? Yes, of course. If you can live for 200 years or 300 years or maybe more. But we have known such more time, right? So why we should learn from the master? Because life is so short. No? Okay, now we have time. Okay, we got 20 minutes. Very good.